My name is Christian Lamson. I'm a staff cloud infrastructure engineer based out of Austin, Texas. I have been a lab captain for the past 2 years, and today we're going to talk about advanced topics with vSAN. So this is going to build off the Getting Started with vSAN lab, and some of the topics that we're going to introduce will be talking about how to enable encryption, how to talk about some of the additional features such as HCI mesh or disaggregated HCI, as well as introducing file services within vSAN. So the typical user will be those that may have already gotten their feet wet with vSAN, understand the basic premise in terms of the benefits of vSAN, but they want to get more and deeper use out of their vSAN storage environment. With vSAN 8, we have introduced some additional features, and we are introducing those in this lab. So every year we update it with the latest and greatest features and functionality, and we will make sure that the end user is aware of those through this lab. Surprised, not as much, and the only reason I say that is because they know, hopefully we've done a good job in the beginning explaining to them exactly what to get out of the lab, but what surprises me is the amount of conversations that come from the lab. So when I did this presentation on this specific lab yesterday, the amount of conversations about how can we do encryption, the different types of encryption, how we can integrate file services into the environment, it's really spurred a lot of talk with end users, and it's really gotten kind of the gears going in their head on how they can bring this into their environment.